How do you like it? Hello, good people out there. This is me again. This is Salome. I'm representing Queen's Extensions here. On my first video, I did not even say my name. I just came and said, "Hello, YouTubers. This is me. I just want to show you how to rock beautiful hairstyles. But I am here to express myself to say who I am. My name is Salome, and I have a little salon, as you can see, my little world of hair. I do hair with passion. I always wanted to have my own channel, but I never made it. But as you know, God times is always perfect, and I am here, and I will be showing you how to rock so many beautiful hairstyles like this one. I hope, I don't know if you like it. Just take a look. Take a look. Take a look. Take a look. This is Senegales twist. Let me open. And I did a mohawk or a beehive, however you want to call it. I call it Mowhauk. Take a look at the back. These hair are not new. They're like 4 weeks old, and I'm not willing to take off these hairs at the moment. So it's gonna take time for me to do a new video with a new hairstyle. It's gonna take like 2 weeks. I will take it off and I will show you how to do crochet twist knotless without any knot. As you can see from my previous dia show photos, I did twist knotless with color number 30 and number 27 and with a little bit of highlight of color number 33. I will repeat the same color because I do love the color. This one is not black, this is violet, and the highlight, the light color, I use the color 613. I use expression here, as you can see. They're very long. I cut in the middle, and then I pull the hair to have a nice ends, not a black, black or brown edge, whatever. So I will be showing you from the beginning until to the end how I did it. As you know, I'm new here on YouTube and I did not do any video how I did this Senegalese twist, but I will make sure I will show you how I did this beautiful Mohawk style. Keep watching and thanks for watching. And as I can see, you like my channel. Please subscribe and like my channel. I'll be very, very thankful. Thanks for watching. I appreciate and I'm happy to be here. I'll be entertaining you. I can be also be a comedian, not only to rock hairs. I'm very, very funny and I'm very entertaining because I just want everybody to be happy and every woman to have